Hello, welcome you all back to my channel. How are you guys doing? So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. So follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. As we drive to Mangaluru on this beautiful ghats, was the BE6 to keep us company. We're going down, the weather started to get warmer. Early summer, so of course it does get warm. Well, they say travel is therapy. That stands good for me as I love traveling, whether it's on the two-wheelers or on the four. So driving through this beautiful Shiradi Ghats was a beautiful experience as the entire stretch has been wiped out except a few patches through the forest. So let's 4-lane down through Mangaluru all the way to Mangaluru. So watch out for the sharp corners and turnings through the ghats. Going down from the western ghats towards the mean sea level.
This is the view from the top. Which has a private beach. Area, eating lunch, breakfast, dinner. These are some other rooms, kitchen. And this is the upstairs, also the view from here is very nice.
The beautiful beach here in Mangaluru, and it's a hot day as we are exploring the surroundings of Mangalore. We're going to Udupi to visit the Sri Krishna Temple and then Mangaluru city. Stay tuned for what's going to be an exciting day ahead.
Welcome to Udupi.
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम्.
So from Udupi we are at the St. Mary's Island here. So we are en route to St. Mary's Island on the ferry, on the boat. This is the sidewalk.
What's on the video that you sent me? The one where you're showering with water dripping, you know I'm
So this is St. Mary's Island here in Udupi. We just came across on the ferry and we are chilling here at the beach of St. Mary's Island. Beautiful place. If you are around Udupi, do come by.
Underwater shot in St. Mary's Island.
and you're up on the train 10 times nightly.
Well, life is all about perspective. How you think is how you feel. Look at everything in a positive frame of mind and everything feels so positive and energetic. And if you see the negatives in everything, you will feel negative about everything. Keep life simple, stay happy, spread the happiness, keep smiling. Life is short, just enjoy it. Enjoy every moment. Life can be so beautiful. Just look at it in a positive way. The moment can be so wonderful. Life has been nothing short of a roller coaster ride. Standing here on the beach, I got lost in the waves. Absolutely nothing on my mind. The nature and myself. 2 beautiful days here in Mangaluru. We headed to Sakleshpura from here. We stayed at this beautiful property called Vana Valley amidst nature. Infinity pool looking out into the valley. We headed towards Bengaluru. My channel once again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. Don't forget to follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Thank you once again for watching. Hope to see you around very soon on the next one. Until then, it's going to be sayonara, adios and goodbye.
They don't don't see the cracks. I'm still here without you.